Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you're new to this channel then don't forget to subscribe down below. And I am back with another video. This one is from the beauty section, and for the first time I will be doing some lip swatches for you. So I was planning to do this video for quite long. It's a comparison video between Maybelline and Lakme lipstick. So I bought a bunch of lipsticks from different brands and different range from Amazon. You can find all the links to buy these products in the description box. I will one by one swatch all of these and show you how the color payoff is and how it feels on my lips. It's drying, not drying. So all of these are from the matte range, matte liquid lipstick range, and I usually don't like that kind of liquid lipsticks which stick onto your lips and make it really dry and patchy after some time. So I bought this one. Really good reviews on all the platforms, so I don't know how it will be, but let's get started. So guys, I have categorized this with three different categories. So these two are from Lakme. These come in an outer packaging as well, and these are from Maybelline, and all of these are under rupees 500. The MRP is quite high, like 650 or 600, but I got everything under 500 from Amazon. There is always a sale going on, or price range is down on Amazon, so you can check them out. And these are authentic real beauty products. Now Amazon has authenticity certificate, so there is nothing like that these are fake. These are same as Nykaa. So let's get started. I will start with one of my favorite lipsticks, which is number one in this list, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. This is how the packaging is. I have two different colors in this particular one. Just look at the packaging. It comes in a square form, and it's a liquid lipstick which is matte and super stay. It says that it stays for more than 24 hours or 12 hours, something like this, and amazing color payoff. This is in the shade 70 Amazonia. I also have ruler shade. It is a pinkish nude. This one is perfect nude for my skin tone. I'm currently wearing this for this video because this suits me so well. It makes me look brighter, my skin tone really brighter, and it's also very comfortable on the lips. It's not sticky, and if you eat or drink anything, it does not go off from your skin at any point of time, and it's really nice, to be very honest. The pigmentation is top notch, 10 on 10. It's good on the lips. If people who have dry dehydrated lips, I would suggest to go in with the lip balm first and then go in with this lipstick, but this stays for more than 6 hours and it does not go off. If you have a makeup remover which is like a waterproof makeup remover, it swipes off very gently, or you can also use any kind of cleansing oil to remove this. It's very comfortable on the lips, and also as you can see, you can overline your lips and it looks really nice, to be honest. So ye wala to I would say it's a 10 on 10, and this topped the chart of these lipstick comparison. Now let's move forward to one of the Lakme lipstick I wanted to show you guys. This one is from the range Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. So it comes in 8 to 10 different shades, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. Very black and decent packaging. I was very interested in trying this one out. I have seen that they have come up with their mini versions as well. This is how it looks from inside. Very similar to Miniso lipsticks. I would say the packaging is quite similar, but it's plastic, not glass, so टूटने का डर नहीं है anytime. And it says just matte melt liquid lip color, and this is in the shade 08 Peach Rose. So I would like to show you guys the texture of this particular lipstick. So it comes with an applicator like this, and when I do a swatch on my hand, I'll just show you. The color is very pretty, no doubt, but can you see the pigmentation on the hand? This is not the pigmentation you will get on your lips, so I was quite disappointed from this lipstick. It's matte and it's nice and all, but for skin tone like me, this is quite light, and after 2-3 swipe के बाद it comes and shows up in your lips, which is like a different, which is like a little difficult for people who are on the go and want. So I'll just show you the applicator of this one as well. This is the super stay wala. इसका applicator is more like of a cushion based applicator, very comfortable on the lips and really nice. तो इसका I will show you the texture. It's very creamy and very matte. Can you see the pigmentation of this? It's more like a velvety finish, and this one is more like a cracky or glossy finish, I would say. It's not pure matte, but इसमें I would still suggest, I don't know if it's the color or something, it does not suit my skin tone. I'll also show you the swatches on the screen, but this is not as comfortable on my lips as it should be, so I will definitely pass this one. Now moving forward to the Maybelline Super Stay Sensational Liquid Lipstick. So I have these two. Both of them are the same range. This is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Lipstick Matte, and this one also. So this is the older packaging and this is the newer packaging. Can you see it? Now it comes in a plastic bottle like Miss Claire's, and यहाँ पे color, you can also see color here only, so you'll get to know what color is it. And this is the old packaging. इसमें color यहाँ पे भी show हो रहा है, but यहाँ पे different color है, तो it's a little confusing, and it has more like a matte finish वाली packaging. The applicator of both I will just show you guys. So इसका applicator is Dufo applicator, like थोड़ा सा slant in the starting, and it has a smell, like very weird smell to it. And this one has the similar type of applicator, a little more thick, but the smell is very pleasant. I don't know how, but the smell is really nice. So this one is in the shade Best Babe, I think. So this is quite, a light color. This is like a peach color, and I'll just show you how it looks on my. So this is the swatch. The color is very pretty for dusky skin tone. It's a pinkish nude, and it's very comfortable and glides on very lightly or nicely. Just the scent is a little off. I don't know why, but as you can see, it's very buttery, textury finish isme wala, and I really like this. And this suits my skin tone so well. But I would like to show you guys the old version of this. I don't know why they discontinued or making this one, but iska texture is more velvety. This is in the shade Nude Nuance. It's one of the best selling shade from Maybelline, and you can find this in bullet lipstick as well. I already have this one. Look at the color, so pretty. This color and this one I really love. मतलब अगर आपको nude में चाहिए तो these are really good. I think in दोनों में there is no as such difference, but if I want to go for one of these, I will go for the old one which is available on the Amazon, because it's more velvety, the color payoff is more nice, and it has a very decent nice smell to it, whereas इसमें थोड़ा सा smell का दिक्कत है इस वाले में. And also a little you have to go like 2 layers of this to get that kind of pigmentation. So thoda sa I would say that be very picky, whereas all of these are matte. Once they dried up बिल्कुल भी smudge तो नहीं होती है, except this one अभी ये थोड़ा सा गीला है, otherwise ये smudge तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. And you need a waterproof makeup remover to remove all of these, because these are liquid matte lipsticks. So, and also please use a lip balm before applying this, because varna it can be little drying and patchy on your skin. So if I want to rate both of them, I will give the old version a 8 on 10 and the new version a 7 on 10. There is a little bit here and there difference, but Lakme one I really did not like it. It's like a 3 or 4 on 10, and do not buy it and purchase this one because of the quality. I don't know how it feels. So this one is the last. This is my favorite. This is the Lakme 925 weightless lip and cheek color. So this is not a liquid matte lipstick. It is more like a moussey matte finish. So when I say mousse matte finish, it's very different from that of the other ones, and as you can see, the packaging is really nice. It's very classy, and this is in the shade. Okay, this is in the shade Rose Touch. So it has a purple tone to it, and the applicator is so nice. Iska applicator is very similar to the other one, the Maybelline Super Stay wala जो मैंने first में दिखाया था, very cushion वाला applicator, and also it's very angular. so it gives you more finish, like more precise you can be with your lipstick while applying this. And it has a very velvety finish, very beautiful finish, and stays on the lips so well. This shade is also very nice. It complements your skin, and you can also apply it on your cheek and use it as a cheek tint. And I would say for under like 500 rupees, this is such a great product, and it comes in so many shades. The only drawback of this lipstick is इसमें जो packaging है ना, from the outer packaging you cannot figure out what shade is inside. तो अगर थोड़ा सा Maybelline जैसा होता कि packaging से color पता लग जाता तो it would be more easy, but this is how the color is. It's a little bright for me. It's in purple tone, but it's very different and nice, and of course you can use it in different ways, like for eyeshadow, cheek tint and lip tint. Then it's really great. And 9 to 5 वाली range actually stays for 6 or long hours, and ऐसा कोई भी smudge या कुछ नहीं होता है. I have eaten food as well while wearing this, and nothing just happens. It's just beautiful shade. So these are the 5 shades that I swatched for you guys. Tell me in the comment section below which one you like the most. My favorite would be the Maybelline Amazonia. It's beautiful shade. It's really nice. And the other one would be this Lakme 9 to 5 and the old sensational lipstick. So when it comes to comparison between Maybelline and Lakme, Maybelline makes better lipsticks. It's more pocket friendly, it's long lasting, you know, you get different shades, and also they make shades for dusky skin tone. So I would definitely go for Maybelline in terms of Lakme. But obviously these lipsticks are good, just the Absolute one was a bummer for me. Otherwise 9 to 5, go for it. It's really nice. So I hope you like this video and this review on such lipsticks and swatches. I will also swatch all of these lipsticks on my Instagram, so you can definitely go and follow me there for more such videos, reels, etc. And this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye.